La fréquence. What is la fréquence? La fréquence is what you call the frequency. Now, here la fréquence in the language is going to help us to tell about how many times we do something. We have fois, F-O-I-S. Fois, F-O-I-S. Now, fois means time, but fois it's only used to tell about frequency. The frequency, it means 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, like that. Now, une fois will mean 1 time. Deux fois will mean 2 times. Like when you want to say twice, you will use deux fois. So it's continuous. You can say 3 fois, 5 fois, 10 fois. 10 fois will mean 10 times. Okay? Tous les jours means every day. Parfois, sometimes, rarement, rarely, jamais, never. Presque jamais means almost never. Presque means almost. And then you have souvent means often. So we have different type of frequencies. We have to use them according to what we do in a different time. So once more, une fois, deux fois. It's continuous. Tous les jours, parfois, rarement, jamais, presque jamais, and we have souvent. Tous les jours, every day, parfois, sometimes, rarement, rarely, jamais, never, presque jamais, almost never, souvent, often. Okay?